Hi guys, today I will show you how to do an outline animation in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. Over here in DaVinci I have our sample. So let's select it and navigate to the Fusion page. Over here we need to hold Shift plus space and type Paint. We need to select this tool. Press Add and it's already here. Next thing that we want to do is navigate here at the top of the tools and choose the polyline stroke. Select it, and now we need to draw around our subject. I will speed up this process so you don't need to wait. I've done a rough sketch, but of course you can take your time. Now let's unzoom. Fit. Okay, this looks perfect, and we need to navigate to the inspector panel. From here, let's extend the stroke controls. Make sure that our playhead is at the beginning of our video. And as well the right on, you can notice the white line disappearing is at 0 and place a keyframe. Now go a couple of frames forward where you want the animation to stop, let's say 30 frames, and go right on all the way up to maximum. And we have a keyframe here. So let's check, it's slow fading out and it's going in. So we did a great job. Let's review it in a full screen. And that's how easy it is to animate the outline on a person. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.